Listen, it was a scrappy game. Before the game, I would have took a scruffy 1-0, and that's exactly what it was, a scruffy 1-0. They're a good side, make no bones about it. Lee's got a really well organised, good set of lads there. And they've had some real good results in the cup. They beat Abbey West 3-0, real good outfit. So, you know, we know on the day they can beat anybody. So we had to be defensively resilient. And, you know, we needed to nick one going forward, and that's what we did.
Really disappointed. I thought the players performed really well in difficult conditions. You know, Bala never make it easy for you. They're very territorial, play a lot of percentages, and I thought they did that very well tonight. But yeah, I think overall we definitely deserved the point.
It was really important to get a win, get the boys going a little bit. Obviously, the last couple of performances, couple bounces on the losses back-to-back, so it was good to put it right tonight.
Their goal has separated the two sides. Your defence seemed to stop where Bala continued and played to the whistle.
Yeah, absolutely. I think you taught that a 6-year-old, aren't you? You know, but disappointing because the attacking player runs towards the ball with his hands in the air, and it's nearly in our 6-yard box. But yeah, you know, we can only look at ourselves, but I did look at the officials as well. But they explained the rules to me, and I got to accept it.
And how important as well was it, you know, to keep a clean sheet this evening?
Yeah, it's good because we've not scored many goals this year. Like in games, like we've had 1-0, 2-0, so we know that we can keep clean sheets. So it's important that we showcase that again tonight.
We've been on a bit of a rough run, and we said last week we needed to stop the rot, and we got a draw at home. Could have won that game, easily won that game against Barry last week. We didn't. We got a 0-0, so it made today even more important. Got another tough away trip next week at Britain Ferry. As you well know, you watch a lot of games. There's no easy games in this league anymore. There's no game where you look at it and think, yeah, we'll win that. So, you know, fair play to Lee and his team. He pushed us all away tonight. We were lucky to come out on top.